Steam is the ultimate hub for PC gaming. You can find various kinds of games in its library. The Linux version of Steam comes with Proton, which can run many Windows games on your Linux system. Without further ado, here's how to install Steam on Linux. Here's how to install Steam on Ubuntu or Linux Mint. Open your terminal. If you're on Ubuntu, make sure the multi-reverse repository is enabled by running this command. Update your package list by typing sudo apt update, then install Steam by typing sudo apt install Steam. After that, open Steam from your menu and sign in. You must enable the non-free and contrib repositories to be able to install Steam on Debian. Here's how to install Steam on Debian 13. Open your terminal, add the 32-bit architecture by typing this command. Type sudo apt update to update the changes. Now, you must edit the sources list to enable the contrib and non-free repositories. The right path to your sources list depends if you only have the traditional /etc/apt/sources.list file, or if you have the modern /etc/apt/sources.list.d/debian.sources file. If you have the traditional /etc/apt/sources.list file, open it using sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list. Add contrib and non-free at the end of each of the deb.url lines you see on the screen. Press Ctrl O, then enter to save the file, and press Ctrl X to exit nano. Type sudo apt update to refresh your system's package index. Then type sudo apt install Steam installer to install Steam. If you have the modern /etc/apt/sources.list.d/debian.sources file, open the sources list by typing sudo nano /etc/apt/sources.list.d/debian.sources. Add contrib and non-free in the components lines. Press Ctrl O, then enter to save the file. Then press Ctrl X to exit nano. Type sudo apt update again. Then install Steam by typing sudo apt install Steam installer. After that, open Steam from a menu and sign in. If you use an older version of Debian, like Debian 13 Bookworm, you can ask me in the comments on how to install Steam on your version, or maybe search it up. To install Steam on Fedora, you must enable the RPM Fusion repository. Here's how to install Steam on Fedora. Open your terminal, enable the RPM Fusion repository if you haven't already, then install Steam by typing sudo dnf install Steam. After that, open Steam from your menu and sign in. To install Steam on Arch Linux, you must enable the multilib repository. Here's how to install Steam on Arch Linux. Open your terminal, open the pacman configuration file by typing sudo nano /etc/pacman.conf, then type your password. Scroll down to the multilib section. If these two lines on the screen have hashtags at the beginning of them, remove the hashtags. Save the file by pressing Ctrl O, then enter, and press Ctrl X to exit. Update your system databases by typing sudo pacman-syu. Then install Steam by typing sudo pacman-s steam. Then open Steam and sign in. There is a community package for Steam on FlatHub. If you want to install it this way, type Flatpak install flathub com.valvesoftware.steam. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. You can ask a question in the comments and I may answer you. Bye.